Okay, so I was watching this video, right? And it was really, really weird. It was like nuts. There was this weird thing. Yeah, wait, you won't be able to see it, but hey, okay, music. If you can hear this, like, it's not that weird, but yeah, there was a helicopter that just like flew over these guys' heads, and then yeah. Yeah, it was like the sun. It was called Strangest Faces and Noises I Can Make 3. It was actually pretty funny. I don't know if you can hear that, but and yeah, oh my god, hold on, let me stop this. Okay. Oh wait, oh my god, yeah, this is my favorite one. Oh my god. Well, if you get a chance, check out my other channel. It's Keon Buskus. It's I don't have too many videos, but if you get a chance, just check it out, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you want. Like, this is kind of a weird video, just like this video I'm watching, or was watching at least. And so yeah, so see you later. Boop.